How to fix GTA 5 not launching problem easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just open settings, and now once you're here, go to gaming, and after that go to graphics settings, and then make sure to enable this option here. Enable it, turn it on, and then go back. Restart your PC, and after restarting your PC and before launching GTA 5, right click here, go to task manager, and then go to this one, memory, click memory, and here we'll see all the applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome. Right click on it and task, and then just end all the unnecessary applications, and that's it. Then just open GTA 5 and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.